guys, it's Melissa and Jess with Bodify, and we're just here this month. We want to talk about health and kind of the balancing effects that good health and a good relationship with your body and eating and exercise, and how that can really leverage your CoolSculpting results.
Absolutely. And before we get to that, something that we absolutely have recognized in doing thousands and thousands, not only of treatments, but consultations, is always listening to kind of what happens to bring people to the point of wanting to do CoolSculpting. So I was talking to somebody the other day, and she said her earliest memory of having fat on her belly was when she was a little 5-year-old girl, and she put her shirt over her knees and she looked down and she just saw these bulges. And when you're hearing this, you might think that's silly or whatever, but the truth was that from that moment, her entire life, she has been frustrated with that area. And from my perspective, I love when people know that, because guess what? When you're 5, you're doing the right things. If you have that fat, you have that fat. And sometimes women in particular feel like if I just worked harder, it would go away. But the truth is, sometimes you need help from an outside technology in conjunction with the proper lifestyle to finally get those shifts you've been looking for.
Yeah, and people always ask us, when in a consultation, they're like, okay, if I get CoolSculpting, do I have to increase my exercise? Do I have to eat better? It's just, we want to meet you where you are. So if you feel like you're doing the right things, you're exercising consistently, you don't have to be this Olympic athlete and, going out and running 25 miles a day, and you don't have to be eating perfectly all the time. But you just want to keep maintaining what you're doing. And we do find that a lot of people, after they've had CoolSculpting, they kind of elevate and they do eat a little bit better, and they might exercise a little bit more because they have invested that money.
Absolutely, and I think something else that happens psychologically for people that kind of initiates this process of, hey, maybe I should do something. Some people do come to us and they can get rid of that last little bit of fat, but what they have to do to achieve that literally robs them of any fun and any lifestyle they want. They have to go to the gym 7 days a week, they have to totally go keto or cut out everything they absolutely love, and people usually come to this place in their life where it's just not worth it, and so they say, guess what, I'm going to continue doing whatever I'm doing, but I'm going to enhance and I'm going to magnify my results by using CoolSculpting, which is a brilliant non-invasive technology.